Did you know that the average smartphone user spends 4 hours and 30 minutes on their device every single day? Mostly, people spend that time browsing social media and news sites. But what if you could spend that exact time on making money instead? Sounds quite interesting, right? Now, I want you to listen up, as in this video I will be showing you how you can actually make money with one single app. This whole process that I'm about to show you will take only a few minutes of your time. All you need to have is your smartphone and an internet connection. What I love the most about this new strategy is that it's absolutely free, as you don't need to invest any of your money. Also, you don't have to sell anything or buy anything. And the best part is that it's available for anyone around the world, as it doesn't matter which country you're from, you can also make money with this. Basically, I will show you this app that you can download to your phone and start making money with it right after we have set up everything. I will also be showing you several websites that are very important as you will continue using them. I highly recommend for you to watch the entire video and don't skip any parts, as every website and bonus tip I will be sharing with you are very important in the whole process of making money. You're very lucky because till now, I haven't shared this strategy with anyone. So, you can now continue watching the video. But before we start, welcome to Make Money Emma, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about this video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back to the video. I would now like to introduce you the app that you will mostly make money with. The app is called FOAP. You can go to their official website, that is FOAP.com. Basically, FOAP is a free photo and video app that's available on iOS and Android, which allows you to sell their photos and videos. Once uploaded to the FOAP app, your photos become available on the FOAP market to millions of photo buyers all over the world. So this means you can turn your photos into money. There are two types of people who come to FOAP: the ones who come to buy and the ones who want to sell. You will be selling your photos through this app. Don't worry, you don't need to own a camera or start taking any photos. Also, I will show you how exactly you will start making money with FOAP. Also, if you are an iOS user, then you can download the app to your iPhone in here. You can just click on it. And if you want, you can also download it to your iPad. So if you're an Android user, then you can click here to download FOAP to your phone. You can now keep on watching the video, as next I will show you several websites where you can have access to thousands of free photos, which you can simply re-upload to FOAP and make money with. To start selling photos through FOAP is very easy. You just need to click on this button here, where it says Submit Your Brand Brief, and then choose between iOS and Android app. I'll just select the Android app. And on this page, you can just download app to your phone. And inside the app, you can follow the given steps on how to upload your photos. I would now like to show you all the available photos that are sold by other sellers on FOAP. You can just click on the solutions in here, and then to market. As you can see, they offer over 40 million creative photos for commercial use. This only means that FOAP is a very popular website. And when you scroll down, you can see some photos sold by other sellers. And if you click on one of them, you can see how much they are actually charging. Mostly, every seller charges around $10 to $20, and that's a pretty good amount of money for just one photo. What I love the most about this app is that if you upload a few photos at the beginning, you will start earning passive income with this app over time, as this one photo will be purchased over and over again. This means you can keep earning money like this for years without even doing anything. That's a very good way to make money online. Also, you will need to split your profit with FOAP, as they will have 50% of it and the other 50% will go to your account. Even still, you will earn a good amount of money with this app. The reason why they are having the 50% is that they will sell the photos for you automatically, as they are very popular over the internet and having millions of visitors coming FOAP every day. They will also assist you in marketing and selling all the photos you upload to FOAP. All you need to do is to just copy and paste photos to FOAP and start making passive income. Selling photos through this app isn't the only option to make money in here. I would now like to introduce you another cool way on how you can earn money with FOAP. You can now go to missions. And on this page, you'll see hundreds or even thousands of missions and tasks you can engage in. For example, this mission here has a cash reward for $200, and this one here for $500. And they're adding more missions and tasks every week that you can take part of. Joining these missions only means uploading photos with the chance of making more money. I highly recommend for you to use this opportunity to earn even more money. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get back to the video. Next step you need to do is to go to SHUTTERSTOCK.com. This is the website where you'll find millions of high-quality and royalty-free stock photos, illustrations, and vectors. Millions of people all over the world come to Shutterstock every day and buy photos in here. And that's why I also recommend for you to upload your photos here and start making money with them. The more websites you upload your photos to, the more money you'll make. Now, to join Shutterstock, you can just click on this red sign up button here. After doing that, you'll be taken to this next page where you need to add your email address and create the password. And then click on this red button here to sign up. And now you have successfully created your account. Here's a very important website I want to show you. You can now go to PIKWIZARD.com. On this website, you can see over 1 million of high-quality and free stock photos that you can download to your computer or smartphone. You can just choose the photo you like and click on it. And on the next page, you have the option to download it to your device by clicking this button here. Once you have downloaded it, you can go back to FOAP.com and also to SHUTTERSTOCK.com, log into your account and upload the photo there, and start making passive income. Thank you for watching, and that's it. This is Make Money Emma. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.